Welcome to the Redneck Show. Slowly.
Okay, we're fine.
You good?
We're good.
Yeah,
So welcome back, everyone. So now we're doing the primary clutching on the Teryx. I thought it was going to be under more tension than that, to be honest.
Yeah, same here.
Don't lose those bolts.
So, secondary's done. Now for the primary.
Just one little spring, eh?
One little spring.
So remember where everything goes.
There you go. We're good.
So this is pretty simple, right? You take it off, flip your clutch, pull it out, put in another spring. Oh, wait a minute. Whoop. There's dirt in there. So it's pretty simple. Pull one out, put the other one back in, flip it. Arrows have to match. No ifs, ands, or buts. And you put them back in. Now, so this has to be torqued down to 9 foot-pounds of torque. This is what it says, but I'm going to be on the safe side. Because I swear that should be more than 9 foot-pounds of torque. So this is a 10mm socket.
Sure you got 9?
Yeah. Well, it's hard to tell, right? Because 28 is here. So guys, the spring has been changed. I didn't have the proper tools. As you saw, I snapped the bolt. Chances are my torque wrench needs recalibration. So we're gonna have to buy another one to finish up these clutches so that way we don't over torque it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like, comment, subscribe.
There you have it.
There you have it. Complete clutching done. Now, you guys know how to change the belt, but we figured out something else with these belts to change them. You got these 2 holes, and with the kit we bought, where'd the bolts go?
Shouldn't be too far. There they go.
So EPI will give you, just get to the clutch cover, put the 2 bolts in there, and it'll spread your clutch for you just to change the belt without actually removing it. So have a good one, guys.